I want to test some of the new features, the AI features in Zoom. So let's open up Zoom and let's do a new meeting.
Recording in progress.
Let me put a little information on here. One of the new features in AI is Ask Meeting Questions. And that's the part I want to try out. But you can't ask any questions until you've actually done something within a meeting. And I do believe there's a certain length of time that the meeting has to be running before it can actually answer questions. So right now, all I'm doing is killing time. Let me open this up, Meeting Questions with AI Companion. And there are some preset questions that you can ask, like Catch Me Up, which will give you a quick summary of what's been going on in the meeting up till now. You can ask to find out whether your name has been asked, whether in vain or not, and what are the action items. Any action items within the meeting, I guess, would be highlighted in that answer that's supplied. I can try and see whether or not any of these will work at this point, if provided I've left this on long enough. And we're now just over 2 minutes into the recording. So let me hit the Catch Me Up button. And as you can see, there is an answer. The meeting so far has been about myself leading questions with AI, a companion. He meaning me, discussed some preset questions that can be asked, such as Catch Me Up, for a quick summary of the meeting, and whether your name has been asked should be mentioned. He also mentioned that any action items within the meeting would be highlighted. He tried to see if any of those would work at this point, as he's been recording for over 2 minutes. Okay, that's the Catch Me Up. Was my name mentioned? No, Norbert Bob Gustische was not mentioned. That's because I didn't say my name, so therefore it's not there. It's just giving me the name of the account that's in use for this meeting. What topics were discussed? Okay, now we can also ask a question, an actual question about stuff that happened within the meeting. Was AI mentioned? No, the term AI was not mentioned in the context. Okay, but you get an idea that you can use AI within your Zoom meeting just by selecting the AI companion, and then make sure you use the Ask Meeting Questions. That's it for this short little video, which turned out not to be so short because you have to wait for a certain length of time before information's available that it can use to answer your questions generated via AI. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helped. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.